Okay, in this section we're going to talk about setting up technician signatures and this also applies to anyone in the company, office workers that are going to be sending documents, letters, and that sort of thing. So the process is very simple. You can sign your name on a piece of plain white paper and you can scan it either in black or in blue or whatever your preference is. As you can see here, the blue colors tend to stand out better. All you need to do is sign your name to a piece of plain white paper and either fax it to us or you can open it up yourself in something like Adobe Photoshop. And from Photoshop, I'm just going to open the file, which I have on my desktop. And as you'll see here, we've got the signature as it would come in. All you need to do is put a color in here. So we're going to go over and pick us a color and use our paint bucket tool, and we're going to fill this. And it's important that you have a clean surrounding here. And essentially that's really all you have to do. Take your cropping tool and then crop it tightly around the signature. If you have a lot of area below the line, you want to make sure to leave a little white space above it so that it'll sit on top of your line. But then we just crop that, create our file, and then we can save that in a variety of formats. We can use a PNG as we're doing here, or a JPEG. And we're going to set that to the desktop. And once that's done, we can come in here, click on the New button, and we'll go to the desktop. And come down here to the signature. And here it's imported. And if you have a technician license number, you just add it in this box. If you're paying a commission based on sales, you can enter that commission percentage here. So let's say that was a 5% commission, and then I'll just put my email address in here. And then make sure to use the name you want to appear in your documents, your reports and so forth. And I'll just type it in here. And that's all there is to it. So now you have a signature that will appear in your documents, and you'll simply select the name, the inspector name, from the drop-down list in any of your forms. And you'll have a great looking signature which you can use in all your documents, and you'll be able to send those by email without printing. So there you are. That is the technician signature.